Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your gender on your selfies using the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Select the picture you would like to edit, and after that slide to the right side until you find the gender category down below. Here, as you can see, you have 4 filters that are available to all of the users of the application, so you don't need to go premium in order to unlock the filters. You have male, male 2 and feminine. Click on the relevant filter that you would like to apply, and in a few seconds your photo will be processed according to the filter that you have chosen. Here you can see the contrast between the original and the produced picture by clicking on the contrast button on the right side of the screen. You can click on the save button at the top of the screen to save your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.